For the original activity I posted on Desmos, it's mostly on inequalities. So what I focused on with my screencast video, I focused on plotting coordinates. So this is the one I created. And I got some ideas from this where I looked at how the students can see each other's responses. I also did that here, and I liked how they did the describing how you know and seeing which matches. So I had them describe how you knew this was correct as a multiple choice question. Oh, this one is. And then this is describing how they knew where to plot the points. Then this is also describing how they would plot it. Share with class. I like that. So I will definitely use this in my 6th grade part of the curriculum. I plan on using these actual activities for my lessons by posting it online. I think this is really helpful for my students who probably aren't entirely paying attention during class. Maybe they're zoning off during the whole group lesson, and then with my video, they can go back, watch it again, and be able to complete the assignment on their own. So, and I would also easily be able to see which students are understanding, which students are not understanding by looking at the dashboard, and I can see which students are doing well and which ones aren't. Or maybe which ones haven't even started, because I have some students who often get distracted. So it would help me make sure that students are completing their work online without me having to flip through the turn-in bin, which is paper. I can just pull up this and I can see all the students if they completed or not. So this would, it wouldn't change my structure that much, because in my typical math lesson, I do a whole group, then I have them go and do their independent work or their partner work. This way, this would be the independent work, and I could check up on who's finished, who's not, and when they're done with the assignment, they can go to the extra activities I've posted. Either it is Dreambox or something else I posted relating to that lesson, or a partner activity that is physical and they can do in person. All right. So I wouldn't really need to change anything in my classroom. It's more so it helping me maintain and ensuring my students are completing their work. So this was a really good class. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. The only potential challenges I might have are students possibly copying off each other, but my students are pretty good with working together and talking about how that works. So I would also keep up with these students by doing small group lessons where I actually talk to the students based on the questions they answered. If I see the particular groups that are working together, I'll pull the groups together and have the students who are maybe a little silent answer the questions rather than having their friends answer it. So this guarantees that I ensure that all the students understand what's going on, rather than just having a few students understand and the other students just backing off what they said. All right. Thank you.